Hello friends, welcome back to Avni's Indian Kitchen. Today I will teach you how to prepare spicy cabbage dosa easily at home, and with the batter what else can be done. Take a mixer jar and add half glass of soaked rice and a fist of tur dal, both soaked for half an hour. Next we will add 5 red chilies, half a bowl of shredded coconut, a pinch of hing, salt to taste, a small piece of tamarind, half cup of water. Let's grind it finely. After grinding, you can see a smooth paste. Now let's transfer it to a bowl. The batter should not be very thin. See the consistency. To the batter, first we will add 1 finely chopped onion, next 1 finely chopped green chili, and then 1 big bowl of finely chopped cabbage. Now mix everything very nicely. The final batter will look like this. Now take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil in it and grease the pan very well. Now let's add the batter like we do with the dosa. Make small dosa and let's cook it for about 10 minutes on low flame with the closed lid. After 10 minutes, we will open the lid. The dosa is cooked. Let's flip it on the other side and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. It should be very crispy. After 5 minutes, we will flip it. You can see dosa has turned crispy. Now let's take it on a plate. Same way, continue with the remaining dosa batter and your yummy cabbage dosa is ready to serve. This is the part 1 of the video. In part 2, I will tell you what else can be done with this batter. So stay connected and do watch. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you.